Okay, so with Euro AUD, okay, oh, sorry, not with Euro AUD, with PTips analysis, okay, last session, there was a student that was asking me, or should I say a client or a member, okay, that have been asking me about, okay, what are the indicators utilized on PTips? So right over here, I'll quickly inform what indicators are utilized in PTips. Simple, RSI. It's the presets. As you can see here, RSI is at 14, a period of 14. And then you have dual Bollinger bands. That means you have to put two Bollinger bands onto your charts. Okay, one is the standard Bollinger band, the other just switch the deviation to 2.0. Just write 2 in terms of the deviation, and you're good to go. Okay, once you put the deviation at 2, then you already know that you're going to get something that looks like this. This is called dual Bollinger bands. Okay, it's better for us to be able to see ranging markets. Okay, and trends as well. Okay, so with that done, let's now move on onto the analysis. So with Euro AUD, let's quickly take a look on D1, okay? On D1, what information do we have here? Okay, so on D1, PTips claims that RSI is below 50, and then the dual Bollinger bands, prices are between the lower bands. Okay, so this is very classical bearish momentum, okay? Actually, I will be adding a secondary indicator. Let me just add the PHB, Peekaboo indicator, which is provided by PT Technologies. All right, the Peekaboo indicator is, yeah, basically you guys can get it from PT Fintech. Okay, if you guys want to know how to get it, just speak with your account manager. Okay, we're not here to promote the strategies or indicators or whatnot. Anyways, this indicator helps me sort of differentiate the potential trend that may occur at this instant. Okay, so anyways, there's an arrow pointing downwards, sort of telling me that there may be more bearish momentum. Okay, so yeah, very cool. Overall, right now, from what I'm seeing with PTips, is that it's more bearish, and also it's confirmed with a secondary indicator, which is the PHB, has an arrow pointing downwards. So that's actually pretty cool. Okay, all right. So then, with that being said, yeah, potentially if H4 and H1 all align with bearish momentum, then I think I'll enter into a sell with more confidence. Okay, so Euro AUD on H4, let's quickly take a look. RSI is below 50. Yes, it is. And then the dual Bollinger bands, prices within the 1.0 deviation bands. Okay, so when prices are within the 1.0 deviation band, what you want to do is you basically want to utilize the recent highs and then the recent lows to set up your support resistance. Okay, so from what I am seeing here is that it seems like there may be more ranging market. It's at the top right now. If it actually exceeds and goes above this resistance, then there's a very high chance that it will continue to go up higher. Okay, if not, right now, even PHB is telling me that there's overall potentially more ranging market and more bearish. So maybe this is at a top resistance level and it might just bounce down. So that's something that I have to keep in mind. So what I will double check is this: RSI is below 50. The highs are getting lower and lower. And right now, there's no highs that are actually higher than that. So potentially, I might enter into a sell with H4, maybe. Let's take a look at H1 first. Okay, so based on H1 on Euro AUD, RSI is above 50. Okay, so that is different from what I'm seeing, you know, from potential bearishness. Okay, when RSI is above 50, we know that there's more bullish momentum. Okay, and then now the bands, prices are between the top bands. Okay, so with the Bollinger bands, prices on the top bands, it is a very classic bullish indication. Okay, so this is very mixed. The whole market is very mixed. You see, we have bearish information on H4. Oh, sorry. We have bearish information on D1, mixed information on H4, and of course, bullish information on H1. Okay, so I guess this is what I'm going to do. Okay, if we were to enter into a buy, Okay, I want to actually set it up so that it is just a tad higher than my resistance.